Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI aficionados. Welcome back to Top IQ Picks, your go-to source for the smartest product choices. Today, we're diving deep into the future of artificial intelligence as we count down the top 3 best AI applications for 2024. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll be itching to get your hands on these amazing tools that are sure to make your life easier, more productive, and more creative. So stick around, and let's dive into the world of AI. But before we jump into this comprehensive review, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and drop a comment below. We want to hear from you, fellow tech-savvy viewers. Number 3, Midjourney. In the number 3 position, we have Midjourney, a great AI-powered picture generation tool that goes beyond the realm of imagination. With this groundbreaking invention, text descriptions can be turned into beautiful, real pictures with an artistic touch. Midjourney's amazing features will amaze you whether you're a storyteller looking for pictures to bring your stories to life, or a marketer looking for eye-catching images. Midjourney uses a method called diffusion to create visuals for its users. This process starts with a picture that is noisy and gets rid of the noise bit by bit until the image is clear and refined. Midjourney makes sure that the pictures it creates are both realistic and artistic by using a neural network to guide it. The uses of Midjourney are spread out in many areas. These include working on video games, movies, and diverse projects, generating visuals for books, magazines, and websites, crafting photorealistic images for promotional materials, and facilitating exploration across multiple styles, time-saving capabilities and versatility, creating pictures quickly. When it would normally take hours or days, Midjourney saves a lot of time and meets a wide range of user needs effectively. Midjourney supports creating various types of images, including idea art, illustrations, and photorealistic images. Specifications. Midjourney delivers very accurate and dependable results by creating lifelike graphics that look like photographs and closely matching the input data with the final pictures. Utilizing a large dataset creates a wide range of picture types filled with complex colors, textures, and subtle details. Easy creation of different picture options from simple descriptions is made easier by the platform. Moreover, Midjourney is very good at scalability. It can make many images while adapting to different scale needs. Most importantly, it protects important standards of fairness and privacy by making sure that the pictures it creates are not biased by humans and by not collecting any user data. With its impressive set of specifications and versatile use cases, Midjourney empowers professionals and enthusiasts alike to bring their creative visions to life through AI-generated images. Whether you're looking to enhance your content, marketing materials, or creative projects, Midjourney has the tools to help you achieve stunning results. Number 2, Canva Magic Studio. In the silver medal position, we have Canva Magic Studio. Magic Studio revolutionizes graphic design for designers, marketers, and content creators. This innovative tool makes it easier to make stunning visuals for everything from social media graphics to important branding materials. Its many features and limitless creativity make Magic Studio a completely new way to create. Magic Studio makes the artistic process easier. Instead of starting from scratch, Magic Design uses user-generated descriptions to come up with a lot of different design choices. It can also create content itself, which makes it easier to write blog posts, posts for social media, and emails. Magic Background lets users easily remove backgrounds with one click to make clear photographs. Furthermore, Magic Effects lets users add dimension and visual appeal to their drawings with shadows, glows, and filters. Magic Studio has several professional uses. Graphic designers use it to improve workflows and create stunning prints and digital media. It helps marketers and brand managers develop appealing content. Visuals make blogs, vlogs, and social media content more interesting and compelling. Time-saving capabilities and versatility. Canva Magic Studio greatly reduces visual design time by automating critical activities. The studio's Magic Design and Magic Write features streamlined creation by eliminating brainstorming and manual implementation. Magic Background and Magic Effects make image modification quick and easy, saving designers time. The versatility of Canva Magic Studio makes it ideal for a variety of creative projects. The studio creates social media graphics, presentations, marketing materials, websites, landing pages, and digital art. Its versatility lets users realize their creative concepts across platforms and genres. Specifications. The features in Canva Magic Studio are designed to make it easy to use. Users of all levels can easily create designs with its drag-and-drop interface. The AI-powered platform offers a wide range of professionally created templates for personalization. Additionally, its AI-powered picture recognition helps choose appropriate images based on what the user inputs, making the design process easier. The studio also allows people to work together in real time, which makes teamwork, giving feedback, and quick revisions simpler. Cost. There are flexible pricing plans for all budgets, with free and cheap premium choices. Canva Magic Studio helps users produce gorgeous images, improve design workflows, and achieve creative goals. Magic Studio helps professional designers, marketers, educators, and content creators achieve design goals easily. Number 1. ChatGPT-4 by OpenAI. And finally, the moment you all have been waiting for, coming in at number 1 in the gold medal position, we have ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT ranks as the peak in the evolutionary line of language models produced by OpenAI. Positioned as the 4th-generation advancement, this model is a huge step forward in the field of language processing. It can generate high-quality text like human output, translate languages, create creative material, and answer a variety of questions. ChatGPT-4 has become an important tool for workers, students, and anyone else looking for quick and useful answers. Operating on the backbone of the formidable GPT-4, ChatGPT-4 uses the power of a large language model, LLM. As a deep learning model, the GPT-4 architecture is trained on a large body of text data and code. Due to this, GPT-4 can see the statistical links between words and phrases. ChatGPT-4 uses GPT-4 to make text that makes sense based on the input when it is given a prompt. The processes of ChatGPT-4 are carried out in a structured order. The input prompt is dissected into a sequence of words or subwords. ChatGPT-4 can capture semantic and syntactic links between tokens since they are embedded in a high-dimensional space. Embedded tokens move through an encoder network, which figures out what the whole input sequence means. The encoder representation is sent to a decoder network, which uses both the encoder representation and tokens that have already been produced to make the output text. After the text is generated, it goes through post-processing to make it flow better and be easier to read. Time-saving capabilities and versatility. ChatGPT-4 is a great tool for saving time because it automates jobs that usually need human input. Its many functions include answering customer questions, writing marketing copy, creating different types of creative content like blog posts and scripts, translating languages, summarizing papers, and even writing code. ChatGPT-4 is designed to be versatile, so it can be used for a wide range of tasks. It easily handles customer service needs, helps with marketing and sales, makes it easier to create content, supports language translations, encourages study, has educational uses, and improves entertainment. Specifications. Many useful features are included in ChatGPT-4. Foremost among these is its ability to write text that sounds like it was written by a person, which guarantees replies of the highest quality. From a huge set of data, the model creates accurate and useful material. Customers can quickly and easily get answers to their questions thanks to its easy-to-use layout. Furthermore, the system is scalable, meaning it can handle a lot of people and change to meet different needs. Fixing biases in the information and keeping the system safe and private are still being worked on. Additionally, current work is aimed at improving the model's capacity to explain the reasoning behind its answers. Cost. ChatGPT-4 is available for about $20 per month on a subscription basis. ChatGPT-4, a sophisticated language model, can save time, enhance productivity, and inspire creativity. Individuals, businesses, and organizations of all sizes can use it. There you have it, folks. Our top 3 best AI applications for 2024. Which one will you incorporate into your daily life or work? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, mark your calendars. Next week, we're taking a deep dive into the heart of cryptocurrency. Wondering where to stash your coins safely? We've got you covered. Join us as we unveil the top 3 best and safest crypto wallets out there. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. See you then. And please, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in AI innovation. Your journey to a brighter, smarter you continue with Top IQ Picks. Thanks for joining us today.